playing this game called Meow. My brother MCujo999 found this game for me to play, and today we're gonna be playing it. I have no idea what this game is about, but it's called Meow. You won't stop meowing. It's just like a cat. Is he eating goldfishes? Pretty sure that has sugar. So am I just stuck in this room or no? I just go sleep. Night 2. Feed the cat. Oh my, that scared me. Where the heck am I? Where did I come from? Where's the cat food? Oh, yeah. I need more than one box. Ew! I'm leaving. You bought the food. Feed the cat now. Meow! Meow! What was that noise? Oh, I guess nothing. Music? Why is there music? Why is the cat not here? Fire! Jesus Christ! Oh my gosh! Is that all? Is that all of it? Did I do something wrong? Okay guys, today that's the end of the video. Bye!